just landed and I'm so excited because she still has no idea. I will film when I see her. This airport is really big and I couldn't really figure out where I was going, but I think I'm here and I told Cooper I'm here, so let's just wait and see. Where is she? Grumpy. She looks familiar. I love you! Hi! Oh my god, you didn't know? No? You did get me! They're just sharing their back and forth. Are you disgusted?
Right.
Yeah,
oh,
I'm just
great.
trying some noodles.
We're just sharing.
We just want to try each other because it has different noodles. It looks cool.
Nice attempt.
Thank you. It looks good.
Joey. You ready, Shai?
So close.
Alright, let me go. I got it.
Alright.
I got it.
Okay. You ready? Go ahead, Cooper.
Yeah, eyes closed. Ah, crap.
That was close.
Damn. It's so awkward now.
I know. So let's see. This is how we're ending the night. Alright guys, so we're at Cooper's place. Apparently you don't take off your shoes. I almost did, but let's walk. Look at them. Shoes.
Only in America.
So like, do you take your shoes off in the room?
In my bed.
Yeah. Well, ever since you start dating me.
Nervous.
Okay.
So rad.
Alright, now jump onto it.
Oh, this feels so nice. Oh, I just gonna chill here.
You can't move.
Alright guys, good night. Good morning. We are heading to eat. Like, what else are we gonna do,
Well,
right?
coffee first.
Oh,
We're
yes.
gonna see this Mia beauty.
Yes, so apparently there is a lash shop that's also named Mia Beauty. So I wanna see it, get some inspo, you know? And then after that, we'll grab coffee and
then lunch in Boulder.
yes, lunch in Boulder. So it's gonna be a very fun day. And today we're going for Hot Pot.
Yes.
So I'm so excited.
So good. And hopefully I'm gonna jump today. Game night maybe?
Game night, we might play MJ.
Yes.
We'll see. Yeah, because Shai has friends who can play, so I'm down. I'm totally down to play. Yeah. We're in Tennyson now, going to Allegro for
Death cream.
I've never tried it, so let's do it. The area that we're walking around reminds me a lot like Kensington and Calgary. We got our Death cream and it's really good. After driving for a little bit, we are now in Boulder. Kind of reminds me of Banff. And we're going to this noodle place, Zo Mama, which apparently was on
Dine. Is it Driver's Dine in
Tongue Twister there. But let's go. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm looking a little bit not great. It rained, so that's why our hair is looking a little bit flat now. We're heading to a brewery because apparently Denver has a lot.
It's one of those times now. It's rainy, cold, time for beer.
Yeah, time for a beer. Time to get a beer belly. Let's go.
Let's go.
It is pouring outside, so got our beers. We're gonna chill here for a bit and then we'll see what happens after.
Another brewery.
Another one.
Good, we figured it out.
Yeah, we figured it out.
been a minute.
And then
Bam. And just like that, you get wine.
cool. Alright.
Cheers. Cheers.
Lucky Shy. She's double fisting.
Oh, I like this.
Did you try it? You were gonna try it?
It's good.
Try it. It's like a little bit oaky.
Ooh, but it's really
Right?
good. I like it.
Yeah, this is good.
Oh, God. That's okay, go ahead.
Is this sad? I don't even understand what he's saying right now. Like, I have no idea what he's saying.
This is hard with everybody's. Yeah! Joy's gonna put hers on.
You almost stabbed me.
No,
Close. Very cute.
last one.
What's the master at work? You all won at the same time.
You're the master. Good direction.
Here we are.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello.
We just went to Red Rocks Church and that was amazing. Had a really great time, good worship. Now we're grabbing food because we've been up since 7 something and haven't eaten yet. So I'm surprised I'm not hangry yet. Are you hangry?
No, I'm good. I need coffee.
Are you
They're
hangry?
lying. They're a little bit angry.
Coffee.
Don't-
Right.
Don't be fooled. They're always a little bit angry.
Coffee comes first.
Coffee.
Okay.
Do need coffee. That's for sure.
My life every day, Joey.
Were you sniffing your coffee?
He totally wasn't. In my life.
Whose girl this? What's up, peeps? Represent from Denver.
That was enough camera time.
You're gonna be the star of my show. We just got Dutch Bros. It was a cool little drive-through. We actually ended up getting 4 drinks for the price of 3.
Oh yeah.
Just because like we ended up changing our order and it didn't go through, so they just gave us another one. More to drink. Gonna be so over caffeinated
Yes.
because we already had coffee during brunch, but oh well. And now we are heading to Red Rocks Amphitheater. Yeah. Yay. I got the coconut mocha.